welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a pick a card reading for the coming week from June 29th to July 5th, and we will see what the coming week is going to bring towards you. Alright, so as you can all see that I have taken 4 alphabets over here, A, B, C and D. So what you have to do, you know that really well. You have to take a deep breath, and out of all these 4 alphabets you have to select one alphabet, whichever is calling you, okay? And then we will start with your reading. Alright, so there will be timestamps below in the description box, and you can directly go towards the pile whichever you have selected. And if in between you feel that this particular pile or this particular alphabet is not resonating with you, so there is no worry for that. You can go back to the beginning and select some different pile again, okay? And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest readings. Alright then, so let's start with our set A. So welcome set A people, and let's see what the cards are for you. Alright, okay. Okay, so your tarot cards are 6 of Wands, Page of Cups and King of Pentacles, along with a guidance card which is Understanding, which is also the Page of Cups. So basically you got the 2 Page of Cups. Alright, so this is a very beautiful message which is coming over here for you, for my set A people. Actually you are feeling very happy, I see, in this coming week. You are celebrating with some kind of might be a job, a promotion. It is a small thing, I see that you are, but you are celebrating it because it is actually a very shocking, it is very shocking for you, and you got this message all of a sudden from nowhere. You didn't expect it, that it is going to happen, and I see that you are very happy. You are celebrating with your family, you are having your good meals, and I see you doing some kind of party at your home with just your family members. So this is a very good thing for you because you actually gave a lot for this. You gave your energy, you gave your time towards this, and then you are receiving that thing, that promotion or that offer, whatever that is, okay? So I see you very determined, and with this victory, with this win-win situation, I see you going towards more good situation, like I see you becoming more determined for whatever you have achieved this week, okay? So with the King of Pentacles, I see you now, you are more determined because you have actually, you have whatever you have won, whatever, if this is a love relationship, if this is a job opportunity, whatever this is, you have actually how to say this, you worked for this a lot, and now you have got the results. But you know that this is not the end, because this is just a 6 of Wands, and there is a long way to go towards the 10. Alright, so now you know that I have to work a lot for more to achieve. So that is why I see you very determined in your task. For some people it might be a new love connection coming towards you, because I see you are getting some kind of a call or some kind of a message, might be online, might be just a message, just a text, WhatsApp, anything, a call, maybe video call. So from a very old friend of yours, or might be a past lover as well, okay? So I see that you are receiving that unexpected call or message from someone, and that is making you very happy. But this bond is now going to become a very beautiful, permanent kind of a bond, I see. And because you might not have a talk with this person of yours, but now I see you that you are becoming more of hey, the person will say, hey, how are you? So now you will be shocked, like, how come this person's message came? So now you are so happy that, oh wow, all of a sudden you called me out of nowhere, thanks a lot for this. And then by that talking, it will grow into something more big, Okay, so what is the understanding card over here? Okay, for some people, from the message from the universe is that this is the time to just open your cage wherever you are, just open your wings and go and fly. Okay, so this is the time to cherish, this is the time to be happy, to be just open your wings and just fly, because whole sky is yours, the universe is telling you. So whole everything is yours, so it's time for you, the time has come for you. So this week it's your time. All right, set A people. And wherever you are going, it is for some people, it might be traveling as well, so you might be going to see some friend of yours, or some friend of yours might be coming towards you, and it will be like, oh, long time no see kind of a situation, and that will make you very happy. So this is a very small celebration I see, but it will result into very big thing. So whatever this is, I wish you all the best and wish you all the happiness, whatever is it. Alright, so let's move towards our second set. So welcome set B people. Now let's see what are your cards turning in. Alright. Okay, so the message from the universe is turning in. With that, the tarot cards are telling us Two of Cups, the Sun and the Chariot, two major arcanas, a very big message. So with the Sun and the Chariot, that means Sun in the Cancer. This might be for some people whose Sun is in Cancer, and from 29th to 5th of July, the coming week is a very good for those people, a very happy birthday, because the Sun is coming towards in Cancer. So happy birthday, and happy birthday to me as well, because my birthday is coming on 5th of July. Okay, so this message is a very beautiful message which is coming from the universe. The universe is telling you over here that turn in. Turning in doesn't mean that you will stop talking to people, you are not moving out, you are not just a life turning incident is going to happen. No, turning in just means that you are going into some kind of self-love kind of a thing, or meditating, something which, because you love yourself. So this is something because you care for yourself so much that you will not allow the external people harm your calmness and harm your patience. All right, so that is why I see you are turning in, and there's a big decision which you are going to take in this week with the Two of Cups, the Sun and the Chariot, because you care of your health, of your self-worth so much that you will not allow anyone to destroy it. So for some people it is a very big life-changing decision as well, because you are just moving on with something and you just want to leave everything. This is a big choice you are going to take basically, and you are moving on with that. With the Sun and Two of Cups, yes, a big decision. For some people it might be very good message for the people who are coming together as lovers. So I see you celebrating something, some kind of you might be moving together, or you might be going on to a trip or something, because the Chariot also tells us some long journeys together with the Two of Cups with your soulmate. Your soulmate can be your friend, your colleague, your partner, anyone, your family member, your partner, anyone, your love partner. Okay, so it also means that you are moving with that person, you are meeting after a long time with that someone whom you call your soulmate. All right, and that's all I guess for my set B people. I really wish you all the best whomsoever you are meeting after a long time, and but a little of meditating will help you a lot this week. So just be there and stay connected. Just turn in for some time. All right, so let's move to set C now. Hi set C people, so let's see what are the cards telling you. Okay, alright, so the message from the universe is patience, and the tarot cards are Five of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. A lot of Pentacles because seven patience is also the Seven of Pentacles. So a lot of money matter over here. I see that there are some kind of gossiping, there's some kind of conflicts going on, might be in your office or at your home, because I see you there are many people. But you know, the difference between Five of Wands and Five of Swords is that Five of Swords is a much very serious kind of a argument or a fight or a conflict, but in Five of Wands it is not that serious. So I see that in your coming week you are fighting towards some petty issues which are actually not the issues which are to be fought for. All right, so I see that you are fighting for your money. Might be you are, because you are holding on your money, you are not letting your money pass away. All right, you are, it might be a conflict within your family. It might be your children are asking for some money, or you are not getting what you are asking for, basically what your children are asking for, I see. But also with the Six of Coins, it's like a balanced kind of an energy. So you know, money is a type of energy. If you share that energy, you will receive it. So do not hold on to this kind of an energy of your coins or your money, whatever this is. Do not keep it with you. Just share it with people. And if your issues are just increasing a lot in your office or at your home, so just give a smile and just move on, because this is not so serious as you are thinking it is. And patience is the key, because this patience card is something, you have done the work, you have done the deeds which were meant to be, and now it's time to get paid for. All right, so I see you that with the Four of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, it's like you shouldn't just hold on to that money. Just move on, just give that money. If your friend is asking you for some money as loan, just gift your money as a friend to, if someone is in need. If you see a beggar, just donate some money, go to some charity. So I see that there are some kind of petty issues, fights, but your patience level is very high. And just take a deep breath and meditate and just let go of all these energies. For those people who are just holding on to your past, or you are not letting your love to share, so start sharing your love, because these little fights, these little arguments will not take you anywhere. So stop holding on to your past energies. If whatever is done, now just go and share your love with other people as well. Alright, so that's all for the C set, the messages, whatever I saw, I just told you. Alright, so let's move towards the D set now. Okay, so for D set people, let's see what the cards are here for you. Alright. The message from the universe is, the guidance card is creativity. The other cards are Three of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and King of Cups. Okay, So for some people, I see you that you might be traveling to some other place, might be visiting a close friend of yours or someone you are going to meet who you actually feel a lot emotional connection with. Okay, it might be your father, it might be your parents you are visiting, your children you might be visiting, a lover of your, a friend of yours, someone who is a lot very emotional, and you cannot just miss a chance to meet this person in your life. And with the Nine of Pentacles, I also feel that there is something you have, because the Nine of Pentacles and creativity are both are together. So I see some people who are actually engaging in some kind of creative work, might be singing, dancing, your painting, whatever this is, gardening. So you are doing which is important for you, and you are very focused in that thing. For some people, there's a message: if you are able to travel to someone whom you love, whom you feel, and if this person is not you, and if this person, King of Cups, is someone else you are dealing with, just go, and you should really, you should meet this person of yours. And if there is no because I see for some people there is no issues with your money, there are no issues with moving, just traveling to meet this person, but I feel that there is some kind of connection with some people who actually need you. This person might be needing you, and you are traveling to just see this person, to just meet this person. Okay. And with for some people, it might be also you are traveling for some good cause. You might be traveling for you might be a doctor, and you are traveling for some sick people, because you love to help. If this is you, you love to serve people. This king is not a ruler, this king is a server. So he actually serves his people with whatever he has. He will help them with whatever he has. Okay. And I see, you see, the creativity doesn't mean you just have to be a painter or a singer. Creativity comes within. For some people, even traveling, just dressing up yourself, like this Nine of Pentacles is here, so beautifully dressed, and she is just, everyone looks at her whenever she walks down the path. So this might be your kind of creativity. So whatever you are good at, so this is the time, this week, just show some creativity inside you. You can travel, you have to wear good clothes, go on, just wear good clothes, go and meet your friend, have a cup of coffee, have a cup of tea, and have some Chinese or whatever cuisine you like, you have that thing. Okay, show your creativity. This week is all about you, yourself, and the people around you. If you are surrounded with good people, this is a very beautiful message. So just go and meet those people. So okay, so that's all for this set as well. So this is the end of the reading now, my dear friends. Thank you all for watching my video, and I really hope you liked my video. So then we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.